Can I just show y'all something real quick? So here's my reaction, right? My next reaction to TGIF and Hasano, right? I come home from work thinking I'm gonna be able to upload it to YouTube because, you know, last time it took me 8 hours to render this thing on DaVinci Resolve. And you know, hold on, let me get to it real quick.
Actually, now I think about it.
So I have no. Hold on. Hang with me now. I have no sound for the freaking video.
This looks like
So I had it muted when I rendered. Right? Alright, so now look at this. Look at this. Let me bring up DaVinci. Now, I have to wait a whole nother 8 hours and 40 minutes. My mistake, y'all. So now, this reaction has been delayed by nearly 2 days. 2 days. But I unmuted the track. I have it rendering again. I have no clue why. This is like a 26-minute video. And it's taken 8 hours and 40 minutes to render. So yeah. It'll be up later. It'll be up later. Sorry.